Okay, hello dear friends, good evening. So, so I will choose a pretty spoon. This should be good because it's even more because it's quite flat and it's good for eating something that is not so soupery. If it has a lot of soup, you better have a spoon with better curls, and this one does not have to have that. What is going on? No, nothing wrong. And so my husband made mousse au chocolat. So we will give it a try. And we had it yesterday and it was very, very, very good. We have some leftover chocolate. I used the leftover chocolate made into chocolate caramel, and he made some mousse au chocolat, and it's very, very good. I need to decorate it with something pretty. That should be sufficient. Okay, now let's try it. I will zoom in. We will zoom in and see the mousse au chocolat. Here. Look at it. Homemade mousse au chocolat. And it's not too sweet, it's just perfect. My son said it's perfect. It's good. Usually it is not easy to please kids. And if they say good, it must be good. Have to be good. Enjoy. It's very, very, very good. Actually, it is better to have some. Originally, yesterday we ate with framboise, raspberry, and it was very good. And we run out of framboise, raspberry. So today I eat with kiwi. It is not as pretty as framboise, but something that is fresh really enhance the flavor of this mousse au chocolat, chocolate mousse, and also the contrast between this very rich chocolate creamy richness that goes against the acidity of the fruit. It brings everything to the best. Enjoy. Very, very good. Okay, hello dear friends. So this is another cake my husband has made. Frenchmen make cakes. They like to make cake. And this one is ricotta cheesecake. Yesterday we went shopping, grocery shopping, and there was a shop, Milk Pail, I think. They sell ricotta cheese. Oh, this is lemon zest. Oh, that's so good. Lemon thread even. So we bought, and he checked about the recipe book and found this ricotta cheesecake, and he was very proud. This is one of his best, and I think it is really good. It is good. It's not overly sweet and just perfect. I didn't cut it well. Let me take it out so that we can take a look to enjoy it. Now I will turn it to this side so that you can, I will put it side down so that you can see the side. And that is it. Let me put it here so we can take a better look of it. And it's very, 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 very good. It's rich. There is a lemon. You can see still there are some lemon thread. Lemon, home lemon, backyard lemon, and it's not too sweet. If you care about it, maybe I can share with you the recipe of it. It's from a recipe book, or you can search online. Let me find the ricotta's packaging. Maybe I can find it. One moment. Okay, now I went to the kitchen and found refrigerator and found this ricotta, and it's very, very good. It's called basket ricotta from pure Jersey cow milk, and it's just wonderful, wonderful, very, very, very good. Where it is made? Ricotta. It's where is it made? Belvedere Foundation. Didn't mention the Petaluma. Yes, this one is from Petaluma. They have a lot of this kind of Jersey milk. Jersey milk is a much fatter milk, and there's a basket inside. I took it out, and this one cleaned up. I can use it to do my yogurt or something. Anyway, it's very, very, very delicious. Okay, I will appreciate it. Did you see the lemon? It is wonderful.